You know, before the show started, me and my cousin was on good terms.
Too bad, man.
No, me not.
Too bad, man.
By the way, it's a version of musical chairs where Team Sim with Romain up against I and the great Ariana Banana. So we have a whole lot. I could show them Ariana Banana. We have a whole it so, right?
Can we employ another strategy?
Music
Can we
is going to be played. I will move round. Come here. Come with me. I will move round. Come now. Ariana, move. And then we go over it. Let it go now.
Watch it, let us show you how it's...
Yes, man.
Bad man is active.
Yes, man. All right, so if the first pair that do it, sit there, we're going around like that. That is how we're going around.
Okay.
So.
And then the closest what, when the music drop, we rush to drop it?
No, but you're going around and then when the music... Ariana, it's like your back not straight.
My. That's not how you talk to your teammates.
Come, Ariana, come. Let's go.
This unity.
You have to move fast. Thank you. Now we have the thing. All right? Oh, the music stop. Put it over there. So the music stop.
The music doesn't start yet.
The music.
The music.
It's because you wasn't hearing.
First of all, we're too close.
We're too close. Ariana, what's your back?
Put your back into it.
Ariana.
Squeeze, Robin, squeeze.
Yeah.
Come towards me, Robin.
Ariana said me the old one. That is it.
Okay.
That is it.
Come, Robin. Hey. Wait. Jump. Come on, for a minute, sir. I was obstruct.
Wait, Abby, come again.
No, wait. That I was obstruct. Don't obstruct me.
Where referee there?
Shoot me, no, Robin.
Yeah, that's it. No, you're supposed to be going around,
we have to get the thing on us first.
Push up
ready.
Yes, man. No.
We were obstruct again.
Simone teeth.
Where's the judge? Who is it?
No, Simone, push up. We were just going to do it. Come again.
Romain, this happens every morning in teeth me.
Ready? Go.
Guys.
See the teeth, yeah.
Well, we never know stay. All the time I say stay.
By the way.
All the time
teeth
say stay.
See the teeth there.
Romain, that is 3 points for me and Romain, you know.
No, you don't put it over there all now.
Because you keep shoving us
no,
all the way.
It's you.
A red card.
You know, red top, you know that.
Romain, come in. Yeah.
We're going around all around.
Who's going around in the
We're rounding. Contact.
Go around with the move.
I know. You know, so I'm going to be too deep. Where is the referee? We need a referee here. Every time Romain and I get over the cone, they shove us.
Because they're not going around.
See, she admitted it because she admitted it. You see that?
We should be there.
So then we're 4 up, 4 love.
I was just going to ask if shub is a word, but my girl got to shubbing.
Shub us 4 times, 4 love.
Who is shubbing? Uno.
Guys, okay, seriously.
Only know that this show go to foreign and nobody don't know what need of name
Don't touch us, don't touch. I mean, I know we're a threat, but come on, guys, you don't have to play dirty.
Press. Yeah.
Watch dancing. Come on, Robbie. Back it up. Some people. No, move. Come on.
Yo.
Ladies and gentlemen, I just want to thank my parents for my flexibility and my dexterity. You know, so I can't spell them word, eh?
You're crook.
That's it.
Romain. Done?
Yeah, thanks, Bridget.
Give thanks, man.
Thanks, man.
That's the worst.
All right, quick. Wait. Oh, hold on. That was just a second.
Coming up, take mom to brunch for Mother's Day. Before you go to?
Romain Virgo and Friends.
Where?
It's May 11th.
When?
Hope Gardens.
What time?
Palm Drive.
Palm Drive, Hope Gardens.
5 o'clock gate open.
And it's gate open at
8
5,
o'clock
showtime 8 o'clock, it lock off 11, so
Apart
come out
from
early.
apart from you, who are going to punish?
Savannah is going to be performing, Janelle Mills, Tori Latour,
Mortimer.
and some of the
Special guest.
biggest names in reggae music, and you don't want to miss that.
If your mother was here to see your teeth a while ago, my bed would be so ashamed of you, know.